Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today's lesson is What Do You Expect 1.3. And 1.3 is called Playing the Multiplication Game. And it takes place on page 9. Your ACE problems are going to be 11 through 13, 23 through 28, and 30 through 33. And your learning target is that I can find theoretical probability. So, I'm going to start this off with shenanigans. Now, shenanigans basically means you're pulling one on me. You're pulling a fast one. You're cheating. Okay? You're taking me for a rube, see? And basically, is a game fair or is it unfair? Okay? Some games are fair or they seem fair. Other ones don't. Now, a game is considered fair if you have an equal chance of winning and an equal chance of losing, or if all the players have an equal chance of winning. And we could do this by analyzing what ways can we possibly win. Okay, let's dig a little deeper in this. Okay, here's a good example. If your friend, if you and a friend flip 2 coins. If you get 2 heads, you win. Your friend gets a heads and a tails, he wins. He says, every time you flip, you got a 50-50 chance getting heads or tails, so it has to be fair. Okay? Is he correct? Well, we need to analyze, okay, how can you win and how can you lose? Well, I'm going to use a probability tree for this one, which is usually the easiest way, again, to do these sorts of problems. So let's think about it. The first time we flip the coin, we could get heads or we could get tails. So right now, if it's just heads or just tails, yes, you have an equal chance of winning. Right now, this game is fair. Okay? However, the second time we flip, we could get heads, tails, heads, or tails. So let's think about this. You have to get 1 head and then 2 heads out of 4 possibilities. So you only have a 1 in 4 chance of winning. Now that would probably be okay, but your friend, remember, could get a heads or tails and win this game. Okay? How many ways could he get a heads or a tails? Well, I'm going to use my blue marker to illustrate this one. He could get a heads and then a tails, or he could get a tails and then a heads, which means he has a 2 out of 4 chance of winning, which breaks down to a 1/2 chance of winning. So your friend is pulling a fast one on you. Okay? He actually has a 1/2 chance of winning. You only have a 1 out of 4 chance. And this is basically makes the game unfair. Now, are there ways we could change the rules to make them fair? Sure. You could make it so that if you get 2 of a kind, a heads and a heads or a tails and a tails, it would be fair. You can make it so that he has to get a tails and a tails, or you get a heads and a heads. Something that makes an equal fraction, an equivalent fraction of you winning and your friend winning. Okay. Your coursework for today is playing the multiplication game. Your classwork is on page 9. It's going to be problems 11 through 13, 23 through 28, and 30 through 33. It was a quick one, guys. Have fun.